Hi friends, Mario Cavallo here with Dragon Quartz Audio. Let's get right to it, the knuckle wrap test. Let's not waste any time. It's not about copyright violations. We're not listening to the music, you're listening to my voice, and we're seeing whether or not the record was skipped. So we're gonna do that. Let me back away and show you the entire system so you see how everything is installed. There's the turntable, my fabulous Musical Fidelity M6i integrated amp. Here's the Junction, my Junction 20th anniversary preamp, JBL 530 speakers. Yes, I've got an equalizer in there. You got that in a separate video. You can see about that equalizer too. Here we go, guys. Okay, let me bring it a little closer and we get right to the knuckle wrap test. There we go. All right. Now that's a heavy solid wood, solid walnut. You still do hear some, resonance when you bang on it. I mean, it's hard like a rock, but still. And there's no skipping happening, that's for sure. Nothing, guys. Nothing, guys. Okay, get this 12-pound solid bass. Nothing, guys. There's your knuckle wrap test. Unbelievable. Just to be safe, turn off the music. I'm so happy to share this with you. A lot of people were wondering, a lot of people are asking about it. It's natural and good and proper to be skeptical, and I really, really appreciate that. Sorry for the delay there. Hang on one second. Let me go on and talk about, why and how this is happening. Oh, and by the way, I confirmed that the aluminum used, the machined cast aluminum used, is aerospace 7075 grade aluminum on everything you see. That's used in high stress components on aircrafts, missiles, and aerospace applications. So you can notice that particular aluminum. Now we understand because it's thud dead, right? I mean, it's dead. It's got no resonance. And, it's just the reality that this is the only turntable on the planet under $2,500 that can survive the knuckle wrap test like this. In fact, I'll be doing several videos this week, 5 videos, one a day coming up. One of those videos will be how many turntables under $4,000 are available that have this spring-loaded suspension that can survive a knuckle wrap test. And the answer is there's only 2. And I'll be making a whole video about that. This is one of them. You'll find out in the other video which the other one is and what the price is. And, this turntable, especially if you saw the first assembly video that I did, where I put it together and show you piece by piece so that you can see for yourself. Because I don't want to ever be trying to convince anyone. I just see this turntable and how it's made and how it performs, and I'm blown away. And that's my own personal reaction. And I hope you end up having the same personal reaction. It's built like a tank that looks like a spaceship on which sits a titanium tone arm. And that's new information. You heard me right. I said titanium. A lot of you were asking, well, we want some more details about the turntable and the tone arms. Great. So I contacted the Amari tech team. They only speak Mandarin. Fortunately, I'm again here in China 25 years. I speak Mandarin. I can have conversations with them about these things, translate it into English, and share the information with all of you. And I'll be uploading a separate tone arm video later this week. So again, why does all this work? And the answer is because there's an awful lot here. You've got an aluminum birch sandwiched base. Oops, did I just do that? Yeah, it's okay. Here's the aluminum birchwood sandwiched base. That base alone is 12 pounds. Then you have the 3 spring-loaded columns, okay? Each column is adjustable height, so you get it perfectly level by turning this cylinder down here, okay? And yeah, let me show you. The needle is off the record. Look at, that's how it works, guys. It's floating in the air. I should say floating on springs. And real quick, let me show you too. There's the digital display. Oh, it's currently at 33.29. And it goes to 3 digits. Okay, there we go. It never fluctuates by more than 0.007. I didn't say 0.7. I didn't say 0.07. I said 0.007. Okay, so you got the 12-pound base, the 3 spring-loaded columns, on which sits an 8-pound center plinth. That's this entire plinth, which holds the platter, the display, the tone arm in the back, all separate, floating together. That's an 8-pound plinth. And in that plinth, you also have the magnetic levitation floating ceramic spindle assembly. Okay, so you then place the 7-pound subplatter assembly. This is the main platter. It weighs 5.2 pounds. Underneath, you have the smaller subplatter that the belt goes around. That weighs 1.2 pounds. So, again, in total, more heaviness, more thickness in the platter design. Excuse me. Which floats in the magnetic field. And all of that is in service of the titanium tone arm assembly and whatever cartridge you prefer. You know, and at the very least, I'm sure you'll all agree, you know, anyone buying this level of turntable, I mean, at the very least, I'd say go with this. I have this Nagauka MP110, and I'm satisfied with this for now. Or even better, right? I mean, that's the level quality of cartridge that you're going to put on this. The next cartridge I have in mind for this turntable, when I upgrade the cartridge again, will be, I think I'm going to go with the Goldring 1042. And that's like a $400, $500 cartridge. You know, some of you might be thinking the Nagauka MP200 or the Audiophile Bronze or something like that. I mean, there's so many great cartridges out there, and that's what belongs on this turntable. So in total, you know, we're looking at around 14 kilograms, over 30 pounds. And my goal with these videos is to let you see with your own eyes. And that was my previous video, and you know, I'm going for the goal of all my videos to keep them around 10 minutes. The previous video was a quick 13 minutes, showing you step by step all the parts and features as I was setting up the turntable. So I hope you've watched that video. If you haven't, please go back and watch it. And you know, looking at the history, we have the original Acoustic Research AR-XA model to thank. They created the original spring-suspended plinth design. And we have them to thank for solving the Knucklewrap problem, or the problem that you may have with footfall because you have a wooden floor. It was the AR-XA that had the original spring-suspended design that went on to spawn many famous, really expensive suspended turntables from Lynn, Sota, Thorens, Ariston, Oracle. And that's terrific, but only if you're rich, because those models start at $4,000 and most are upwards of $10,000 and even $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. And this goes to why I'm realized in the marketplace there was an opportunity, and I'm focused on that opportunity for everyone. I'm focused on offering you the Amari LP16 because of that wonderful feeling that we get of discovering the best deal on the planet. Quality and design and performance like this, it's untouchable under $2,500. And I'm offering it this special introductory price of $1,480, and that's shipped to your door. So, and it passes the amazing and important Knucklewrap test with flying colors, as you just saw. So that only leaves us to talk about the quality of the tone arm. And again, I talked with the Amari tech team. It's a titanium tone arm, not aluminum, which is what I thought it was probably. And that's what I will cover in another one of the separate videos that's coming out this week. So that's it, guys. Please remember also, my original YouTube channel is Mr. Ma's Adventures. And I did start this new separate Dragon Quartz audio YouTube channel more specifically focused on audio gear. So please head on over there to subscribe and follow me there on these audio gear videos. Coming up will also be revisiting another review, the JBL 530s, which I happen to have here in beautiful cherry wood color. That's going to be one of the videos coming up because I just sold another pair of those to someone here locally here in China. And those are speakers worth talking about again. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the next video. Like I said, it's going to be one a day released for the next 5 days. Thanks so much.